One of the most underrated and convenient features of the Claude AI model is its ability to directly edit files like PDFs for you and let you download them once it's done. If you're having to fill out government, medical, legal, insurance, tax documents, basically any type of standardized fixed forms with a lot of manually filling out and copy and pasting, this is an amazing time saver. Claude can edit fillable style PDFs and just regular PDFs as well. To make use of this feature, you'll need to first enable it in Claude by going to your profile, clicking Settings, then going to Capabilities, and lastly, turning on the code execution and file creation feature. This lets it create files like PDFs for you. Now, let me show you how well this works with an example. I have this lawsuit defense form that needs to be filled out. I'll upload the form. Then I need to tell Claude what to fill it out with, basically giving it context and instructions. I'll upload it the lawsuit claim PDF and tell it to get details from that, and then also tell it how to generally respond and to search for more defenses I can use. Lastly, I'll prompt for it to make the completed form PDF file downloadable for me at the end. Now that it's complete, I can download the PDF. As you can see, it understood the structure of the form and correctly filled out only the parts it was supposed to. I also tested this same example by providing this non-fillable form of the same PDF I needed filled out. And while it took a bit longer, it was able to identify all the correct fields and fill them out appropriately.